myself Jatan Solia, and today we are going to solve another LeetCode question. Question number is 169. Title is majority element. Easy category question. Description is given an array nums of size n. Return the majority element. Means we have to return the element who repeats the most. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Okay, so all the time we have the majority element in the array, just we have to find it and return it as the answer. So now let's take a look of the examples. Example 1, input is given as 3, 2 and 3. So here 3 is majority and output is 3. Question is very simple, its logic is very simple, but today we are going to solve this question using Moore's voting algorithm. So now first I explain you Moore's voting algorithm and then I will explain you the code. So now let's move on to the solution of this question. Okay, so now I write the code of this question. So first of all I will explain you what is Moore's voting algorithm. So in Moore's voting algorithm we don't have to sort the array. According to Moore, we have to take frequency of element as a power. Like if a element is exist in array who repeat the most, then it has the highest power. Okay, so also we don't have to check with n by 2 times repeating. Means if we find the answer in last, we don't check this with n by 2 like it's repeating n by 2 times or not. We don't have to check in Moore's algorithm. So now I will explain you the code. So here first I assume frequency and answer and assign the value of 0. Now I run a for loop from 0 to size of the array. Now first I apply if condition here. I apply that if frequency is 0 means first of all starting frequency is 0. So this if condition is follows every time when the loop is starts. First frequency is 0, then we assign answer the value of nums of I. Means if I say in other language, I will assign answer value first element of the array. Means every time the loop starts from I equals to 0, from means the first element, frequency is always 0 in start. So I assign answer the first value. Nums of I means nums of 0 means first value. Always the first value I assign answer when loop starts. Okay, now move toward the second if condition. Second if condition says that if now loop moves to the next element frequency, so now answer equals to nums I, means answer is 3, nums 0 is 3, means 3 equals to 3, then frequency plus, means now frequency becomes 1. Else condition says that if this if condition not true, means if here instead of 2 3 instead of 2, or if here we can say 4 instead of 3, then this condition not true, then frequency we have to minus, means frequency got 0 again. After that these loops run towards the size of the array, and at least what we return answer is the majority element of the array automatically. I will explain you with the code. For example, let's take the example 2. We will dry run this code. Okay, so first when loop runs I is 0, if condition follows frequency is 0, answer is automatically nums of I, means answer becomes 2. After that towards the second if condition, answer equals to nums of I, means 2 equals to 2. This is true, then frequency plus, means now frequency becomes 1. After that this if condition follows, then else is false. Now towards second element, means now I is 1. Frequency is 0, no, frequency is 1, so this if condition not true. This if condition means answer equals to nums of I. Our answer is 2 and nums of I is also 2. Then this condition follows, and frequency plus is now frequency become 2. After that this condition again not follow. For this condition our answer is 2, but now nums of I becomes 1. So this condition false, and because of this condition becomes true, and now frequency got minus, so now frequency becomes 1 and our answer becomes remain 2. After that, move us to the next element is also 1. So also this condition is not true, but also this condition was not true. So now our frequency get lost again and now frequency becomes 0. Our answer is 2, still 2, but frequency becomes 0. After that, moves toward the next element is also 1. So frequency is 0. So now the value of answer becomes nums of I, and nums of I is 1. So now answer becomes 1. This if condition follows, like answer is 1 and nums of I is also 1, this becomes true. So frequency got plus and frequency becomes 1, and this is not followed. Move towards next element is 2. Still frequency was not 0, but this condition was not followed, means answer is 1 but element is 2. So frequency got minus, means frequency again becomes 0. Now moves toward next element is 2. Frequency is 0. Answer becomes 2 because nums of I is 2. So answer becomes 2. If condition answer equals to nums of I, yes, because answer is 2, our answer is 2 and this element is also 2, then frequency got plus. This condition is not followed. Frequency is 1, answer is 2. We return answer and we got the answer 2 and output is also 2. So this is the Moore's voting algorithm. I hope you get this solution in your mind. Please let me know in the comment if you have any confusion. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.